Welcome to the Learning Gates channel, your go-to destination for high-quality educational content. In this video, we will be focusing on the basic review questions for Quarter 3 lessons in mixed method research. If you are a student, researcher, or professional looking to improve your understanding of mixed method research, then this video is for you. Whether you are just starting out or have been working in the field for years, it's always helpful to have a solid understanding of the fundamental concepts and techniques involved in mixed method research. By the end of this video, you will have a better grasp of the key topics in Quarter 3 lessons of mixed method research. From research problem identification, research title, statement of the problem, research rationale, and conceptual framework. Mixed method research can be a complex and challenging field. But with the right tools and knowledge, you can become a confident and effective researcher. Subscribe to the Learning Gates channel for more educational videos like this one, and let's dive into the world of mixed method research together. One, why is it important to consider the practical applications of the proposed output in the real world? A. To establish the novelty of the research. B. To justify the necessity to conduct the study. C. To highlight the global relevance of the research problem. D. To demonstrate the potential value of the research study and its findings. The answer is D. To demonstrate the potential value of the research study and its findings. 2. Why is it important to establish the novelty of a research study? A. It ensures the study is worth pursuing. B. It provides direction for future research. C. It helps to justify the study's importance. D. It helps identify gaps in current knowledge and understanding. The answer is C. It helps to justify the study's importance. 3. How does a research rationale help identify gaps in current knowledge and understanding? A. By justifying the necessity to conduct the study. B. By answering the question of why the research is important. C. By describing the global, national, and regional trends related to the problem. D. By establishing the existence of the research problem in the local situationnaire section. The answer is A. By justifying the necessity to conduct the study. 4. Why is it important to establish the existence of the research problem in the local situationnaire section of the rationale? A. It justifies the novelty of the research. B. It helps provide direction for future research. C. It helps convince the research panel of evaluators to accept the proposal. D. It highlights the need to conduct the study and the relevance of the research problem. The answer is D. It highlights the need to conduct the study and the relevance of the research problem. 5. Which of the following is not a question that should be addressed when developing a research rationale? A. Why is this problem or issue significant? B. What problem or issue does my research address? C. What is the methodology I will use to conduct my research? D. What are the potential benefits of conducting this research study? The answer is C. What is the methodology I will use to conduct my research? 6. What are assumptions in a conceptual framework? A. The research findings. B. The research problem. C. The data collected from participants. D. The underlying beliefs or values that influence the researcher's interpretation of the data. The answer is D. The underlying beliefs or values that influence the researcher's interpretation of the data. 7. What do the arrows or lines in a conceptual framework represent? A. Assumptions. B. Research findings. C. Research hypotheses. D. Relationships between concepts. The answer is D. Relationships between concepts. 8. What are the key ideas or variables the researcher wants to study in a conceptual framework? A. Concepts. B. Research findings. C. Research problem. D. Research hypotheses. The answer is A. Concepts. 9. What is the starting point for conceptual framework development? A. Research findings. B. Research problem. C. Research questions. D. Research hypotheses. The answer is B. Research problem. 10. What is the purpose of a conceptual framework? A. To present raw data. B. To report research findings. C. To provide a summary of research questions. D. To guide the data collection and analysis process. The answer is D. To guide the data collection and analysis process. 11. What is a conceptual framework? A. A research hypothesis. B. A report of research findings. C. A collection of research data. D. The visual or written representation of a researcher's idea or theory. The answer is D. A visual or written representation of a researcher's idea or theory. 12. What is the purpose of a research title? A. To provide a list of references. B. To provide a summary of the research paper. C. To give the author's opinion on the research topic. D. To communicate the focus and scope of the research. The answer is D. To communicate the focus and scope of the research. 13. What should researchers consider when writing a research title? A. The author's name. B. The target audience. C. The size of the paper. D. The year of publication. The answer is B. The target audience. 14. Which of the following is not a key element of a good research title? A. Engaging and exciting. B. A specific and descriptive. C. Lengthy and convoluted. D. Concise and to the point. The answer is C. Lengthy and convoluted. 15. What should be considered when writing a statement of the problem, SOP? A. Be long and detailed. B. Be general and broad. C. Be ambiguous and unclear. D. Be focused on your research problem or topic. The answer is D. Be focused on your research problem or topic. 16. What is the recommended work for senior high school learners in the topic on SOP? A. Writing a conclusion section. B. Writing an SOP aligned to their strand. C. Embedding the SOP in the rationale section. D. Preparing a 10-minute PowerPoint presentation of the results and discussion section. The answer is B. Writing an SOP aligned to their strand. 17. What is the recommended format for writing the SOP? A. Lengthy and vague. B. A personal and subjective. C. Specific and measurable. D. Ambiguous and unrealistic. The answer is C. Specific and measurable. 18. What should senior high school learners refrain from when writing subproblems or research questions? A. Writing lengthy and vague subproblems. B. Embedding SOP in the introduction section. C. Using personal opinions as research questions. D. Writing unrealistic research questions or subproblems. The answer is D. Writing unrealistic research questions or subproblems. 19. What is the suggested length of subproblems or research questions for senior high school learners? A. Long and complex. B. Short and concise. C. Vague and subjective. D. Unrealistic and ambitious. The answer is B. Short and concise. 20. What is the purpose of subproblems? A. To guide the research project. B. To summarize significant findings. C. To waste time on irrelevant information. D. To identify unrealistic research questions. The answer is A. To guide the research project. By mastering these basic review questions in mixed method research, you will be equipped with the fundamental knowledge and skills to excel in your research endeavors. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the Learning Gates channel for more educational videos.